When your indoor plants start looking droopy or sluggish, you probably blame the light or watering, right? But sometimes it's the soil that's holding them back. Traditional potting mixes can break down too quickly, compact and suffocate roots, especially in small containers. Now that's where organic composite bark mixes makes all the difference. It delivers the right balance of nutrients, structure, and breathability. Perfect for repotting tired house plants, transplanting saplings, or supporting young perennials. It's a ready-to-use upgrade your plants will benefit from. Best used neat, it encourages healthy root development and keeps your plants growing strong, even in tight spaces. No fluff, no fuss, just better structure, better drainage, and a more stable home for indoor greenery. Ready to give your indoor garden a boost? Bark Unlimited Organics Indoor Potting Soil is the upgrade your indoor plants deserve.